Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 1, sum number 7 and 8, and question number 2, sum number 1, 2 and 3. Now let's see what is there in sum number 7. What we have to do in question number 1, we have to find the common factors. Now in sum number 7 we have 3 terms, isn't it? So one by one we'll split it up. So 10 PQ can be written as 2 into 5 into P into Q. Okay, now 20 QR is can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into Q into R. Now the last one is 30 RP, so 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into R into P. Now we have to find the common factors. Now which are the numbers are common to all the three terms? That is this one, that is 2 and 5, I guess, isn't it? Now what about P? No. Q? No. R? No. So the common factors are 2 comma 5 and 2 into 5, that is 10 as well. So 2, 5 and 10 are the common factors of 10PQ, 20QR and 30RP. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Sum number 8 of question number 1. In this also we have 3 terms, so we have to split. Just a minute. So 3x square y square, that is equals to 3 into x into x into y into y. Now the next term is 10 x cube y square, that is equals to 2 into 5 into x into x into x into y into y. And the next thing is 6x square y square z, this could be written as 2 into 3 into x into y into z. Now let us see which are the common terms. So 2, 3, no. Variable, yes. So x is a common term, so this is 1x. Another x would be the common term, so this is another common term, and y also, you see. So these are the 3 common terms. So x is a common term, another x is also a common term, it's a common term, and what we have to do, we have to multiply all those common terms, and we see that x square y is also one of the common term of these 3 terms. Okay, now let's let's move on to the next question, that is question number 2. In question number 2 you have to do the factorize. It is very similar to question number 1. Now the only difference is that this time they have given minus sign in between the 2 terms. Now you have to again split this, that is how to write 7x, it is 7 into x, and how to write this 42, 2 into 3 into 7. Now observe, now carefully observe which is a term which is common to both the term, isn't it? Can you see any number? Yes, there is, that is 7 and 7. So we'll take this 7, we'll write this 7 like this, and now after writing this 7 we'll give one bracket. Okay, now when we remove this 7 from this term, what will remain? Only x, isn't it? So we'll write x here. And if we remove this 7 from this term, what will remain inside the bracket? Only 2 and 3. So now we will give the answer as 7x minus 2 into 3 is what? 6. So this is your answer. Okay, it's very similar, but the only thing is that this time the minus sign or the plus sign would be given in between the terms. So you have to take the common term in this way, and you have to give the bracket. Now let's move on to the next one, that is sum number 2. Now 6p, first split this 6p, that is we can write 6p as 2 into 3 into p minus 12, 2 into 2 to the 4 and 3 into q. Now tell me which are the common numbers. This 2 is a common, and even 3 is also a common, isn't it? So this 2 numbers, we'll keep it outside the bracket like this, 2 into 3. Now we'll put the bracket, now we'll give the bracket. And now suppose if from this term 2 and 3. If you remove this 2 and 3, what will remain? Only p. So we will write p. Which sign is here? Minus. So we will put minus sign. Now from this, if you remove this 2 and 3, what will remain? 2 and q, isn't it? So we will write 2 and q. Now we'll multiply this. 2 3s is what? 6. P minus 2 into q would be 2q. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number 2. Now let's move on to the last sum of today's session, that is sum number 3 of question number 2. Now first we'll split this to 7 into a plus 14. How to write 14? 2 into 7 into a. Now which are the common terms? So 7 and a. So how to write this? So we'll write this 2 number and then we'll put the bracket. Now from this, if we remove this 2, only a will remain. Which sign is here? This time plus, so we'll put plus. Now from this term, if we remove this 7 and a, what will remain? Only 2. Now we'll multiply this. 7 into a is what? 7a. We'll give bracket a plus 2. So this is the solution of sum number 3. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Thank you boys, take care, and God bless you all.